can be like,
This is what we are eating. We are eating a Warhead Extreme Sour. What flavor is it?
Black cherry.
Black cherry. It's watermelon, technically.
I want to do this one.
Here, wait. Ready? Wait, I gotta get mine. I can't get mine. Eat it, yeah.
Eat it. Put it in your mouth.
You didn't want it?
I'll do double.
I'll do double. Okay.
Double? Yeah, you do. You're definitely doing sour face.
Okay, ready?
That is sour.
I can't believe her face is not like squinting right
I
now.
want to do this one. Mommy, can I have one?
Okay.
Excuse me, Mommy. I want to do a lollipop. Mommy, can I
Oh, yeah, there it is. Yes.
Okay. Mommy, excuse me. Oh, that's Mom.